Hey guys, it's Matt, Owen, Brad on the camera.
What's
We're
up?
coming to you from Bowling Green Chevy. We're going to talk to you about year-end savings. I'm going to let Owen hit you up with a little bit of that right now.
So this month we've got employee pricing on all of our remaining 19s plus most of our 2020s. Our 2020 SUVs, Trax, Equinox, Traverse, all that we've even got employee pricing on Impalas, Malibus, whatever. We've got it. We've got the best savings around. I'll go ahead and put it back over to Matt.
Don't forget, this is year-end savings on all of our remaining 19s. Let's walk around. Let's take a look at those. We've got double cab trucks. We got LTs. We got LTZ trucks. Blazers. The hot 19 Blazer. We got them. We even got a Trax left. That thing's going way cheap right now. Year-end savings. On top of that, you're going to get no payments till springtime. On top of that, you're getting employee pricing. Best time to buy, everybody knows, employee pricing in the year. Come see us. We got the price match guarantee. If anything is comparable you find out there and we can't beat it, $1,500 goes to you. Also, for the end of the year, what we're going to do here, you buy new 19 or 20, we're going to give you $100 in rewards points towards your first service. Come out and see us or check us out on the web, bowlinggreenchevy.com or 573-324-0222.
Let's see you soon.